Hello everyone and assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you guys are doing good. So today I'm going to unbox my long-awaited DJI wireless microphone system right here. Today is delivered. So let's jump into it and unbox this. I was very excited for this microphone because I really like the convenience of this microphone that you can literally use with anything, with laptop, with PC, with mobile phone, with your DSLR camera. It's pretty amazing that this small package can do all that. So I was very excited for that. So hopefully the sound quality is good. So let's see what's in the box. All right, it's sealed from bottom. I have to open this here. So yeah, it's also showing me the instruction to open it from the side. So here we go. Probably user manual, some pouch cover for it. All right, this is very nice pouch that came with it. So let's see what's inside. So we got these called dead cats for two microphone, wireless microphone, one TRS cable and one USB to Type-C cable also included in the box with nice pouch. And so first of all, just want to mention guys that this video is not sponsored by all means. I have purchased this product with my own money, so sub to the channel will be appreciated. So without any delay, let's open the actual microphone. Here it is. This is nice, heavy and sturdy feeling. So I think that's about it in the box. There is nothing else. So I'm gonna put this on side. So here is it guys. This is the microphone system right here. Focus. Not sponsored at all. Nice packaging, like an AirPod. As you can see, this is how it's showing right now. If I zoom in, that would be better right here. So very nice packaging, I would say. And now I'm gonna open this and see. So it's immediately connected. Look at this, how small this is. And so we're gonna do this here on my shirt and we'll test it out. What's the audio quality sound like from this microphone directly. I think this means that this is connected already from to the one microphone, so it's already connected. So this is the small package. It's telling me to select the language, English, and date is already selected. It's 23 today. There you go. And the time is, now how do I choose the 20? So it has a 24-hour time settings. So it's 12:29. There we go. So the microphone, both of them are working, is currently showing on the box, on the bar. Focus. Here you go. As you can see, the bars are moving when I talk. So one of it is connected right now. So I'm gonna connect this with my camera and see how's the quality. So I don't see any of so battery is now fully charged. It's like halfway there. And yeah, let's see. Time to connect it with the camera and we'll see how is the audio quality. Alright guys, so this is the audio coming from directly from DJI microphone. I'm not using the windshield like this dead cat that came with it. So tell me what's the difference in the audio quality. So before I was using my Zoom H6 right on top of me, so I was using audio from that source. So tell me what you guys think. How is the quality coming from this microphone system? So I'm gonna attach the, so it disconnected. Nope. Yeah, so I can mute with the one, so it can record separately with this button it has on the microphone. So it can record separately 15 hours of recording directly in the microphone system. So now I'm gonna attach this windshield and see how different it sounds. So now you can see the windshield is on, and let's see how this sounds. So I'm gonna attach to my shirt again and see how is audio quality. See, as you can see how far it is from my mouth. Maybe I can put a little bit closer. So what's the, I don't see the convenient location. You can really hide that if you put like inside your pocket as well, but I think this is the best location if I use it right here on my shirt. This is the best way. So if I'm sitting recording inside the studio, I think it's a pretty convenient place to record audio. And the only reason I like this microphone because it's very small and convenient. So when I do the vlogging video with this gimbal, I will use this microphone system with my phone, so it can easily attach to this gimbal, and I really don't have to carry the other microphone system that is shotgun microphone. So for the comparison, as you can see how bulky is this. If I attach this with my phone system, it looks huge on the phone, so it's not convenient and has a wire. So it's a little bit bigger setup with this microphone system. So if I use this microphone, I think it's pretty nice setup. So this is about it. If you guys have any question about this microphone, and do let me know. It comes also with the Type-C connector right here that you can attach directly to your phone, and also lightning connector that you can attach with your Apple devices. So it can work with the Android, it can work with the Apple devices, it can work with the laptop, it can work with your PC. So it's pretty much work with everything. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. I will probably see you in the next one. Sub to the channel will be appreciated. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.